JRA scheme offers a real opportunity for budding young students, undergraduate students, who have an interest in research to experience an environment where they can develop their research skills and knowledge. Within a period of 8 weeks, it offers them the opportunity to engage with a senior academic in the university. And I think it's quite unique for Sussex to really target those researchers from different countries who have the potential to become the future leading researchers in their country and to bring them to Sussex. I think it sends a very powerful message about our approach to research.
In my research lab, we are working on biological and machine learning approaches to intelligence. And Mikhail has been looking at artificial intelligence versus intelligence in animals. And he has been doing some numerical work to look into the differences.
I very much enjoyed the excitement and the challenge of actually stepping somewhere unknown, unbound. This is not necessarily something that you get during the taught years as an undergraduate.
In your particular case, you did very well. You came in there with so much enthusiasm that we really got something done in a very, very short time.
My research is basically focused on issues about inequality. The opportunity to work with Ernestina is giving me the chance to understand from her perspective and from her research background some of the issues that intersect with my research interest.
When I chose my topic, I was looking at women empowerment in Ghana. You asked me, when I come here, what would I achieve that I wouldn't have been able to achieve in Ghana? So then I decided, then it's going to have to be women empowerment in the UK, how it has been.
In the case of the research partnership that we have between the University of Sussex and the University of Ghana, having the JRR scheme helps to cement that relationship, because that partnership is really to develop and to learn from each other and share ideas about research.
This is the first year we've had a JRA from HKUST. About 12 of us group heads went over there for a conference. We also got to see the science there, and we would have these research techniques, breakaway groups. I think we were all really impressed by the quality of the undergraduates. They asked great questions. We just thought that the JRA scheme would be great to get them over here so that they could see what we did and we could actually spend time with them.
I've been working on biochemistry research. It's the expression and purification of nanobody for GFP-tagged proteins. I have actually tried some experiments back in Hong Kong as well. Like, even though it's the same experiment, like, people approach in different ways.
She has done a lot of different things and she's very competent in the lab. So it's been a pleasure to supervise her, I have to say.
The speed dating, which is best described as speed research dating, is the process when we, the international JRAs, and the local JRAs and some other undergraduate researchers here in Sussex sat down and had around like 2 to 4 minutes to quickly describe their work here. And you may be talking to a completely different field, people who may not necessarily cross paths in regular life. But this event can and will bring up some connections.
The Hive is like a place in the library that's only for researchers, PhD students or students who are doing research. And it's great because you get to meet people who are doing other research from different fields and sometimes from your field, so you get to learn from them.
Not everyone is scientist and not everyone is like working on the same research topic. I think it's very important that I know how to communicate with people who are not in this field.
The International Summer School organizes trips for all of us. So you decide the ones you want to go. I picked Bath and Stonehenge.
Brighton is usually described as like quaint and like quirky and very light-hearted city. And I very like Brighton, the lanes, the shore, the pier.
Being an international JRA, I met other JRA students. It was really nice to share their culture.
University of Sussex is a whole community on its own. You won't feel alone. You must really have that desire to want to do research and want to understand it. And then you'll be here and you learn a lot and you experience a lot and it's just great.